Hello everyone, so I'm working on this Talking Tom app using the MIT App Inventor. As you can see here, this is our app here and you can talk with her and you can see here some buttons. Let's try to click on the cry, okay? And as you can see here, our Tom is crying. Let's click on the happy. Yes, he's happy now. Let's click on the celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's click on the dance. Oh, she's dancing. Cool. Now let's do one thing like let's talk to her, okay? Let's click on the talk button to do this. Hello.
Hello.
You can change the voice tone also from the inventor. You can do this. So let me just try with this same voice. Hi.
Hi.
So you can do a lot of things with this Tom app. Okay. So tomorrow we will learn how we can create this amazing Talking Tom app using the MIT App Inventor. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.